gold update from our outlook and from our trade ideas. So as you can see here, hindi talaga niya nabalikan hindi siya nagkaroon ng retest from here. But yeah, there are a lot of ways to enter the market even if it's a trending. No? So let's say na there's your breakout. So there's the breakout. So we want na it should somehow retest here, but it did not. Okay, so what we want to do is that we can draw this trend line. No? So since it's already making higher highs and higher lows, and we can enter on those trend lines. So from here, it went up here, no? So kung hindi kayo nakasabay, hindi tayo nakasakay dyan, no? So there's an opportunity here, no? And malaki-laki pa yan, 4,233 all the way up to 4,300. Yan. So yun yung malaki-laking uh, upside doon. Okay? So this is uh, the best entry so far itong 4,004 sorry, this 4,040, no? Dito tayo nag-enter sa previous trade ideas natin, and if you're able to trail it then all the way to 4,300, you may now put your stop at around 4,240. Okay, so whatever happens, if it goes down, then all the way from here, all here, then medyo malaki-laki na. Right? So what are we looking at from here so far? No? So psychological level at 4,300. No? So it's a whole number, and it's starting to form a head and shoulders pattern formation. Okay. So this is the left shoulder, head, and now it's the right shoulder. So what we want to see from here, if it's a real head and shoulders pattern formation, ibaray lang natin iba, no? If it's a real head and shoulders pattern formation, then we want to see that it it should somehow break this, no? The 4,140. That's the reason why we want to move our stop loss there. Yung trail stop natin. If this one breaks, uh, then again, break, and we enter from here. Okay. So we sell around here, putting our putting our stop at around 4,270, targeting 4,185 level. So this one is going to give us 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so not bad. So, but then again, we are at a um, bullish bullish momentum, right? So if this happens, this could probably be just a pullback. Okay, somewhere around here. So if yung sinasabi natin kanina na it did not have a pullback, baka ito na yun. Okay, so why are we expecting it to land there? So let's see. Okay, so it says somewhere around 38 to 50 Fibonacci retracement level, and it's a healthy pullback. It could give us uh, the pullback that we need in order for us to go higher. So from here, since we are expecting this to be a pullback, if you want to scalp it, then you can scalp once it uh, once it goes below 4,240. Okay, but we want to have our buy order here as well. Okay, targeting 4,300. And again, we just want to target existing evidence na kung saan nauntog, no? So 4,300, it's gonna give us 1:3 risk to reward ratio. So putting our stop loss below 4,140. Okay, so this is on a 15-minute time frame. And that's it for our gold outlook and how are we going to trade this for the rest of the week. And again, there's an NFP coming tomorrow, Friday. So if you want, I can take the rest of the week. Kasi medyo volatile yan, no? Yung NFP na yan. So it's up to you if you want to trade news. But then again, we want to uh, be present during these situations. No? So that's it. And I want to invite you sa ating talagang community. Nandiyan lang yung link na sa bio natin. See you there.